Fix Windows Update Error 0x800f0904. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This built-in tool automatically scans for common problems that prevent updates from installing successfully. Fix 2. Perform a system file check. Corrupted system files can interfere with the update process. You can address this by running certain commands in an elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Free up disk space. Lack of storage can cause update errors if temporary files cannot be created. Fix 4. Reset Windows Update components. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 5. Enable the Windows Modules Installer. This service helps install updates and features.